Morning children. Now let us start next topic of chapter 11, symmetry and pattern. Our next topic is pattern. So what is the meaning of pattern? A pattern is a collection of numbers, words or shapes that are placed according to a definite rule or order. So how to understand this definition? As you can see here, I have made few figures to make you understand this figure. Let us see how. As you can see here, star, heart, smiley is drawn. Again, star, heart and smiley is drawn. So next will be star, then heart and again smiley. So as you can see in this question, a particular pattern is followed. Okay, so this is called pattern. Now patterns are of many types. First one is patterns in numbers. So what is pattern in numbers? As you can see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, then there are 3 fill in the blanks. So can you see that these numbers are following some kind of pattern? Okay, how? Let us see. 2 and then 4. Here we have added 2, so it becomes 4. Okay, again we have added 2, it becomes 6. Again we have added 2, it becomes 8, and again we have added 2, it becomes 10. Now what? Again we have to add 2 in 10. Our answer is 12. Again we will add 2 in this 12. Our answer becomes 14. Again we add 2 in this 14. Our answer becomes 16. So this is the example of patterns in numbers. Okay, in this way you have to find what pattern is going on and then you have to solve. You cannot write 11 here because your pattern will be wrong. Okay, now next come to patterns in even and odd numbers. So I think you all know about even and odd numbers, so let me explain you in brief. Even number, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers, as well as you can say the number which forms a pair is called even number. Now come to odd number. Odd number are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, or you can say it doesn't come in pairs. Now let us see one example. 10, 12, 14, 16. So you can see here we are adding plus 2 in 10, it becomes 12. Again we are adding plus 2 in 12, it becomes 14. Again we are adding plus 2 in 14, it becomes 16. So what we observe in this question, or you can say in this pattern, all the numbers are even numbers. Okay. Now your question may be that after 10, why we have not written 14? So in this case we have to see the pattern how this even number is going. So we are adding only plus 2 in the given even number. Okay. So let us try this question. 14 plus 2, 16. Again we add 2 in 16, it becomes 18. Again we add 2 in 18, it becomes 20. And again we add 2 in 20, it becomes 22. So we are following the pattern. Now next come to next pattern, that is odd numbers. As you can see here, 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5 and 7 are all odd numbers. That is, it is not divisible by 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Again we have to add 2 in 7, our answer becomes 9. Again when we add 2 in 9, our answer becomes 11. And again we add 2 in 11, our answer becomes 13. So in this case, as you can see here, all the numbers are odd here. None of the number is even. Okay. Come to next pattern, that is repeating patterns. As you can see here, AB, BA, AB, BA. So as you can see here, AB, again BA is given, again AB is repeated. After that, after AB, BA is there. So what we will write? Again we will write AB. And after this we will write BA. So as you can see in this question, that we are repeating the alphabets. AB, BA, AB, BA, AB, and then BA. Now let us go to next pattern. So before starting new kind of pattern, let us learn some tricks about even and odd numbers. As you can see here, I have written few things, few important points about even and odd number. So just have a look in these tips. Okay. When we add even number plus even number, the sum is always an even number. For example, 4 plus 2. 4 is also an even number. 2 is also an even number. And the sum we get is 6. And 6 is also an even number. So, whenever we add even number plus even number, we always get the answer in even. 4 plus 2 6 and 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Now come to next one. When we add odd number plus odd number. Odd number means you all know, as I have explained you. Odd number means which is not divisible by 2 or which doesn't come in pair. So odd number, that is 1 and 3. These both are odd numbers. But when we add these odd numbers, we get the answer in even. As you can see here, 1 plus 3. 1 is odd, 3 is odd, but our answer is even. Let us check another example. 3 plus 5. 3 is odd, 5 is also odd, but 8 is even number. Next one, 1 plus 7. These both are odd numbers, but our answer is 8, that is even number. Now next come to third one. When we add even number plus odd number. Whenever even number and odd number are added, what happens? The sum is always an odd number. What we get? We get the sum as an odd number. You can see the example. 2 plus 3. 2 is even number. 3 is odd number. When we add these two numbers, we get an odd number, that is 5. Next example. 4 is an even number. 7 is an odd number. And the answer is 11. So 11 is also odd number. Now next, come to next pattern. Okay. Okay students, now let us learn one new pattern, that is patterns of number with multiples of 10. So what do we understand by multiples of 10? Multiples of 10 means the table of 10. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. Okay. Now let us see this example. As you can see here, I have written few numbers here. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40. So by seeing this number, what can we understand? That these numbers are the multiples of 10. So we have to find these fill in the blanks. So let us see. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30, 10 4 ja 40, then 10 5 ja 50, 10 6 ja 60, and 10 7 ja 70. So this is patterns of number with multiples of 10, and this is the example with these answers. Okay. So in this, what we have to do, we have to follow the pattern, and according to the given pattern, we have to find the numbers. Okay. Now let us solve exercise 11.2. Okay students, now let us start exercise 11.2. As you can see here, I have written the question, complete the pattern. So what we have to do, as I have explained you different kinds of pattern, according to that, those patterns, you have to solve these questions. So you can see here, square, triangle, circle. Again, square, triangle, circle. So what will be the next? Again you will write square, triangle and circle. So this is complete the pattern according to the given pattern. Now come to question number 2. Write the numbers that next in the series. Okay, this is a kind of series, and you have to find the next number which will come in the series. As you can see here, 11, 22, 33, 44. By seeing this pattern, what do you observe? You might be observing that this is the multiple of 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44. So next will be 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66, and 11 7s are 77. Okay, so in this way you can solve question number 2. Write the numbers that next in the series. Okay, now come to question number 3. Observe the pattern and complete the series. In this question you have to observe the pattern and then you have to complete the series. Let us observe the pattern and see what will come in these fill in the blanks. MNO, again MNO, that means this is the repeated pattern. Okay, MNO, MNO, again our answer will be MNO. Now what you have to do, you have to solve all the questions from question number 1, 2 and 3 in the book. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.